asin. Sanat ako ang utok ko, standing to the wall of kings. Fuck all the haters out there. Yeah, come on.
Don't hurt me no more.
I wanna hurt you now, kaya ko daw matunaw. Kung ikaw manulok-nulok, lumanok ka nga kapulok. Ano kaya may tulik, wala ka na nagbalik. Namagot lang ko, sinabat mo ko, magtantaya mo saga. Nagabot na imo karma, upod sa imo bangkada. Ang inyo alagyan mo, tangan ko na sumbong sang barikada. Galapok nga daw granada, magapon ang akon karga. Kaya ko ganala, kagamusubong ang kontrabida. Salamat sa tanan, kanami kapustakan, kanami katindakan. Takloban, basurahan, para imo maintindihan. Naginhimo mo sang una, kung ikaw ya ang mamon, mamasalan ka na taga-uma. Humalin pa ya sang una, nahikay ka sa amon. Ganit dire subong sarap, ikaw amon tirahon. Ring this, check this, kick this out. Sarap, industry ka muna ang ma-kick out. Oh yeah, kasakit, ang baho mo daw igit. Atek nga leading man, ano ka na ginadaman. Imo madumduman, nakamusta sa kamot. Di pa trapo-trapo ka pa sa imo nga bayok gani. Ako sa imo ang nahambot, puro kalungkong mana. Men, ang imo nga kamot, puno sang punggod. Ang imo nga buak, gani ako si mo sobong. Ako nagkadumot.
It's a little too late to say that you're sorry now. You kicked me when I was down, but what you say just don't hurt me.
That's right,
It don't hurt me
I don't need you
no more.
Don't wanna see you no more. Bitch,
You get no love. You show me nothing but hate. You ran me into the ground, but what comes around goes around. And you don't hurt me.
That's right,
You don't hurt me
and I don't need you
no more.
Don't wanna see you. Bitch,
You get no love.
bitch,
You get no love.
and I don't need you no more.
Naagyan mo na pala nga ikaw ang simo-simoon sa mga tao sa palibot mo, kag ikaw ilapahibon. Just we try to understand kung ano ang buot ko silingon. Pamaputain mo kaugalingon, that's why we're fighting and that's the reason. And I spit the mic like I told you twice. Kasi kung paniro ng mga tao nga tikado, pero ang Ginoo na ang bahala nga magusga sa aton. Sa pagkabot sang paghukom, tanan nga mga yawa pang sunugon. Patawaron, balis ka doon ang mga buki nga bugalon. Just like we are in the fullest, our name is the greatest. And no one can defeat because all of the words in my mind gonna hit. With my pen I'm gonna write itself. Hold the mic and to lose yourself. Through music just own it. If you had it then expect no help. Grab your chance and work on your own. Don't let them else so they want you draw. That's how I face in the mirror, thinking reminisce and raise my arm. I love those who are haters nga sa ako nagapapahod. Pagkanuin nyo nga habalon ako sa gihapon nagatindo. From the bottom to the top all the words I brought, yeah it's just for real. Bleed, the pain inside me. If I were you, how does it feel? I know all of this of its own, and I know I will make it through the end. Just try to kick me down, but before that I will break your leg. Put a dick on your mouth, lay you down on a bed, kag sa apon ka magbeg. Pagpalaga ang pagkikugma, well you sent me an angel from above. But then my dad judged it, rather be a gangster than to live in this cruel world with no love.
It's a little too late